Welcome to the Kitchen Laboratory. Did you know your kitchen is full of secret magic tricks, but we call them science? Put on your aprons because we are about to mix up some mystery. First, let's make a potion explode. When you mix baking soda and vinegar, they fight to create a gas called carbon dioxide. Whoosh! It looks like magic lava, but it's actually a super fizzy chemical reaction. Meet oobleck, the green goo that breaks all the rules. Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? It acts like both. If you punch it, it turns hard as a rock, but if you relax, it melts right through your fingers. Spooky, right?
Watch colors run away in terror with magic milk. Put food coloring in milk, then touch it with dish soap. The soap chases the fat particles in the milk, making the colors swirl and dance like a tie-dye fireworks show.
Wanna be a secret agent? Write a hidden message with lemon juice. It disappears when it dries, but if you heat it up, the sugar turns brown to reveal your secrets. It's invisible ink, powered by the magic of heat. Put some dried raisins in a glass of clear soda and watch them boogie. Carbonation bubbles stick to the raisins like little life jackets to lift them up. When the bubbles pop at the top, down they go again. It's a raisin dance party. Oil and water don't like to mix, just like cats and dogs. By adding a fizzy tablet, colored water bubbles float up through the oil to make your very own groovy lava lamp. It looks like magic, but it's all about density. See? You don't need a spell book to do magic. You just need curiosity and a few ingredients. Go grab an apron and start experimenting. Who knew science could be this tasty and tricky?